Today we're going to be doing the turkey burrito skillet. The prep and cook time is 20 to 30 minutes, and the difficulty level is easy with a medium spiciness level. I just unpacked all of the ingredients here for this. Everything looks pretty good except for this tomato, which looks like may have been, I don't know, maybe I dropped it or something, but everything else looks pretty good. No real problems with it, so should come together nicely, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. This recipe was super quick and easy to make. One thing is there's not like like a rice base or anything like that to be eating it on. And quantity wise, it doesn't look like there's a whole bunch there for 2 servings personally. So I think I'm probably gonna be a little bit hungry after this, but let's see how it tastes. I'd say it's okay. It's not overly flavorful and really not spicy at all. Probably the least to the second least favorite meal I've had so far from Home Chef, which is disappointing because I love tacos so much. But yeah, it's just okay. I would say give it like a 6.5.